Hi, Art Kurtz here for Easy Access Math, and today we're going to do another lesson on percent and ratios. And you know, sometimes a ratio could be set up like a percent, and so you need to be careful and read the problem carefully to see exactly what they're asking. Take a look at our ratio problem. They're not asking for percent. What they're telling us is that a store gives a percentage discount on items. But the question is, if you get a $25 discount on $1,000, how much did you have to buy to earn a $45 discount? So if I set it up as a ratio, I put the discount on top, and I put the amount that I spent on the bottom, how much I bought, and I don't know what I had to buy for the $45 discount. That's the missing link. That's the question, so that's the X. Then I cross multiply, and I'll have 25X equals 45,000 if I multiply 1,000 times 45. I divide both sides by 25 to get X by itself, and I end up with X equals 1,800. Okay, I did the calculation on a calculator. If you don't have use of a calculator, you will have to work on the calculations, and there are videos on multiplication and the basic math if you need to watch them. But I'm doing the basic calculations on a calculator. But this is the concept. Another way you could do it, and I said this in the previous lesson, is with unit cost, unit amount. If I take the $1,000 and divide it by the 25 to see how much I have to spend to get $1, well, that would give me 40. For every $40 I get $1. 40 times the 45, if I multiply 40 by 45, I also get the 1,800. So that would be my answer, and this question is a ratio question. Now, here's a question that involves percent, and it's a two-part question. It uses the word markup, and markup is when a store adds to the cost. That whatever they pay for it, they add to it when they sell it to you. So Macy's buys a $500, I'm going to put that in, coat, wholesale at $500, and marks the price up by 50%. And 50% of 500 is 250. So they add the 500 and the 250 markup, and that's the selling price of $750. But read on, the question continues. After a month, it goes on sale at 25% off, and that's off the marked up price, so off the $750. And 25% of $750, we'll get that in here, is $187.50. That's the discount, $187.50. And what I would do to get the cost during the sale, what you will pay for it, well, I'll take the $750 and subtract the $187.50. $750, take away $187.50, gives me a sale price of $562.50. So that's what they're asking for. Always be careful. I would get the $187.50, and that might be a choice on the test, but that's the discount, just like $250 is the markup. Your price is the marked up price less the sale discount, and that leaves me with $562.50. So with these problems, you need to be careful. You need to read them to be clear what the problem is saying. And determine, even if it says percentage in it, it could be a ratio. Oh, in this case, if usually it's about markups or discounts, it's, and they're asking you for the discount, it's a percentage problem. So read carefully.